Okay, welcome to howtopam. Let's show you how to install Firefox web browser and set up a desktop icon. Let's open up Firefox and let's go to the help here and let's go to about Firefox. It says that there is a new available, so let's go here and let's download Firefox, the update. And you see it's downloading here right now. And it is finished. Let's close Firefox. Let's open up our terminal right here. And let's have a look at what's in our downloads. And there you have it right here, Firefox, the Firefox update. So let's go sudo, let's say tar, let's go xjf. The J is because it's a BZ2 file. And let's say the home directory, the downloads folder, and let's just paste this in there and let's put it in another directory, capital C, and let's go to OPT, the opt directory. Let's unzip that right now into this opt directory. Give it a password and just give it a moment. As you can see here, that once Firefox is downloaded and untarred into the opt directory, we will see if we go here to files in the opt, there is our Firefox. So if we wish to make a desktop icon, create a launcher, right click on your desktop, create a launcher, call it Firefox 105, give it a comment, newest Firefox, and let's give it a command. And the command for that Firefox is going to be to opt Firefox. Now let's give it an icon if you like. Just go to this no icon button and click on that, and let's write Firefox in the search. And here is a nice icon. So let's choose that and let's create that. Hey, there you see we have Firefox here. So if we click on that, it says mark it executable. Now if we have a problem, we can say edit that launcher. Firefox, save that, double click that, mark it executable, and there we go. Simple as that. We have that desktop icon launcher we just made for the newest Firefox, and you can see it's 105.01. If you wish to move that into your menu here, then what we need to do is take our terminal here and let's ls the desktop, and see we have Firefox 105 desktop there. So let's go with sudo and let's say move. Let's move the home directory desktop and let's copy and paste that file name, Firefox desktop. Let's move it to Unix system resources, share applications. Let's move it into the Unix system resources. For those of you who would like to see, we have going to move it here to the share applications folder where all these desktop files are saved globally. So let's go ahead and let's enter that, and you will notice that it's gone. It will be in here. Let's have a look here, applications, and you can see Firefox 105 right there. That's the one we just made. Now we should find it in here. If we have a look at others, there we are, Firefox 105. If you'd like to put it on the bar, you can left mouse click that, drag it off, put it up here on the bar, create the launcher, and there you have it. Just give it a click and there it functions. So that's all there is to install a third-party application and set up a desktop icon and move that icon into a global folder. There we go. Thank you for watching this little short tutorial video by howtopam.